Good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma. Good morning, Ma.
Today we are learning something very powerful in mathematics. It is called standard form.
I think I've heard of it.
Don't worry, it's simple. 5,000. Can anyone read this number?
5 million.
Correct. But imagine writing this number many times.
Because zeros are too many.
Exactly. That is why we use standard form. This is scientific notation. So A is always between 1 and 10?
Oh, I get it now.
Standard form is written as A must be a number between 1 and 10. N is a whole number.
Ma, what do you mean by between 1 and 10?
Good question. It means 1, 10, 9, 9, but not 10.
I now understand, madam.
Okay, who can explain how we move the decimal?
You move it to the left.
6 places to the left.
Exactly. Great job. Let's convert 5 then into standard form.
Step 1 comes 5.0.
Still, count how many places we moved the decimal. We moved it 6 places.
Oh, Ma, I don't understand why it is 6.
Look at the arrow. It's 6 places. Let's count together. Original number, 5 zeros. How many zeros?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. So we moved the decimal 6 places. That is why the power is 6.
Oh, now I see.
To turn this into a whole number, we move the decimal.
So it becomes 4?
Exactly. You move it 4 spots to the right. Now let's try a small number, 0.0004.
Move decimal to make it 4. How many places did we move?
4 places. Yes, but because it is a small number, the power becomes negative. So it's 4 times 10 to the negative 4? Exactly. Yes, but because it is a small number, the power becomes negative. So the answer is... So big numbers have positive power.
Small numbers have negative power?
Excellent. You understand. Now try this. 300,000.
3 times? Yes, because we moved 5 places.
Wonderful. Remember, A must be between 1 and 10.
Oh, 5,000. 5 times 10 to the 3?
Exactly. Great job. Today we learned standard form makes big and small numbers easier. It is written as positive powers. Small numbers have negative power. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to our mathematics channel and watch the next exciting topic.
Subscribe to my channel.